Kidderminster Railway Station. It's a very nice station. This one's been recently modified to have lifts, and there's this really quite cool glass building now, but it doesn't really suit the station very much, so I don't know how I feel about it, but yeah, it's alright, it's alright. There's a lift on the other side. You can tell them bricks are quite new in comparison to the footbridge. Seems a bit more dated. Yeah. There's an exit out that way there. There is also an exit out this way, taking you up to the main entrance. Here is a view from the footbridge. And weirdly, you can't get a view from the footbridge this way. It's quite sad. Wonder why that is. You can see here. Very weird. It's got them rather modern displays here. That's with most WMR stations. Ticket office. Another nice waiting area. Also around here, a lot of the toilets of this station. It's very modern. Quite a nice building, really. Definitely warmer than outside. Here is the front of the station. Looks very nice. There's another ticket machine there. And yeah, here's a rather large station car park here. Very large. Even has electric car charging points. And there's also buses that serve here. The Diamond bus. There it is. Quite interesting, I think. Yeah. We're going to have a look around the Severn Valley Railway now. Maybe I'll include a few pictures from that. I probably won't do any video. But yeah. I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe for more videos just like this one, and there's plenty of them. So yeah, I'll see you very, very soon. Thank you for watching. Now I begin my service, which goes to Worcester Foregate Street. 172-219. I do like these trains, they're very nice. They're just diesel 375s basically, that's all they are. Or 378s. Yeah, thank you for watching. See you soon.
Welcome to this service for Worcester Foregate Street, calling at Hartlebury, Droitwich Spa and Worcester Foregate Street.